Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm creating my heatless curls. I've honestly perfected my technique. I've done it millions and millions of times until I really figured out what's important, and this is also an updated version. I did another video about it, but I improved so much over the last months, which is why I wanted to film a new video, and I'm gonna show you exactly how. Let's do it. So I washed and blow dried my hair. The only product I put in my hair is this one for heat protection. And now I'm gonna just make sure that it's brushed thoroughly. And then we're gonna divide the hair into 2 equal sections and take our tool. I'm gonna link it for you down below, this one that I'm using. I'm gonna place it on the top of my head and more in the center of my head, so not too close to the front. I'm just gonna fixate it with a hair tie on one side, and also I'm gonna put a claw clip here on top so that it just doesn't move too much. Okay, now we begin. And I take a very small strand from the front, and then I'm gonna wrap it around the thing twice. So the first one I always take twice. Now is a really crucial step, because now we take hair from the back all the way to the front. So we're just gonna go in here and make sure that we take hair that comes all the way from the back. That is so important to make sure that the hair is also curled at the back of the head and that it doesn't look shit from the back. And then we wrap it combined with our first strand of hair, wrapping it around just once. And then we do the exact same thing again from the back. I hope you can see just, yeah, a tiny layer, so a thin layer, and then wrapping it around once and continuing like that, making sure that it's really tight, not tight that it kind of like hurts, but tight that it really stays put and stays in place. And we just continue our way down. And also by placing the thing more in the middle and not too close to the front, it gets more comfortable for sleeping. So I'm a side sleeper, and then I kind of like sleep in front of it. Right now it's still very tight. It's gonna get a little bit looser when I'm done, but yeah, then it's quite comfortable to sleep with, because it can actually really be super annoying if it's too much in the front, and then it can get so uncomfortable, and then it's just really shit, because we shouldn't be compromising our sleep for the curls. But yeah, okay, so all the way down, and here the rest we just wrap it all the way around. And then taking a hair tie and making sure it's all nice in place. Good. And now of course we do the exact same thing on the other side as well. So I'll just talk you again a little bit through it so we make sure that it's the same. So a very small strand from the front and then wrapping it around twice. And then we take hair from the very back all the way to the front. And wrap it around. I'm, by the way, currently trying to grow out my natural hair color, so my hair at my roots is so crazy dark. But yeah, now I'm just gonna try for a few months to let it grow out a little bit more, because I wanna just get away from having to bleach constantly, because I really had to go to the hairdresser every like 2 months, and it just got too annoying. And also it's just so bad for the hair to bleach it so much. So yeah, I want to try and see what it's gonna look like with my natural hair color. But yeah, it is crazy dark. Okay, working our way down, and in the end we just wrap and wrap and wrap. And then taking a hair tie. And we are done. And now you can see it is a bit looser. So when I sleep now, it's gonna be pushed back a little, which is totally fine. So yeah, making sure you really can sleep well with it. So yeah, I'm gonna see you tomorrow for the results. Good night. Okay girls, are you ready? I had this in the whole night. I'm gonna open it now. I don't know why I'm nervous, but I guess because you never know if it turns out quite how you want it to. But I have to say, with my perfected technique, it usually always looks super nice. But let's see. Ooh, I think it turned out so good. Let's see, I'm gonna start brushing it out a bit. That's by far the best part about it. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, yeah, definitely turned out super nice. And you see that it's all the way curly in the back as well, in the top. And that is why we put in, you remember what we did last night, where we put in from the back in the very top. I hope you know what I mean. But that is really so crucial, so that it also looks really nice from the back. Now, last thing I'm gonna do is add a little bit of hair oil. I currently use the Olaplex oil. But it's so important to just apply a teeny tiny bit, because otherwise it's gonna get greasy. So I usually only put like this, so very little, and then spread it in the hair. I'm not gonna put anything else. You could, if you like, put hairspray or any other products you're using, but I'm not using anything else. I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know in the comments, and I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.